Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor. Guys, I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video. I've been busy getting on with life and everything. But anyway, I'm not going to get into all of that. Just know that the doctor is back, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of my brand new phone. And the phone, what I have just received, I've just had this delivered. It's none other than the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So here it is. This is the box that it comes in. So this is going to be a quick unboxing, guys. So let me just take my scissors and cut the box open. Hold on. Okay, so this is the box. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 on the side there. Note 10 here at the front. Here's a picture of the stylus in all its glory. So let's just cut the seal. European SIM card only. Okay, so we've got some specs here on the back. But we're not really going to get into all of that. You guys want to see the phone, right? Right. Okay, seal open. And here it is. Here's the device. I picked up the Aurora glow color. Wow, looks nice, right? It's like a rainbow. And it comes with the super fast charging adapter here. As you all may be aware, the device does not come with a headphone jack, so you can't use headphones, but it does come with these AKG headphones, which you can plug into the USB port. Let's just take these out. Yeah, so you can plug these headphones into the USB port here, the charging port underneath at the bottom there. And this is the cable which you plug into the charger. Yeah, so this device was announced earlier this month, and it's just been released today. So I purchased mine from Argos UK. It cost me £869. So I'm just going to take off the plastic off the back. Wow, this device looks really nice. I'm loving it. I'm loving the look already. Feels very nice to hold in the hand. It's very comfortable. Also feels light as well. It's not heavy, believe it or not, even though it does have a 6.3-inch display. Okay, so here on the side, got the volume rocker. I believe that's the power button. Got a speaker here, the stylus, microphone. This is where you put the SIM card in. And yeah, that's the front facing camera, I believe. Let's see if it has any juice. Let's just turn it on. Okay, so I have to do the usual setup. Let's just skip that for now. All done, and we're in, finish. Wow, this display looks very nice. Whoa. Let's have a look at the viewing angles. Yeah, the viewing angles is really good. Yeah. Let's see what it's running fresh out of the box. Should be Android 9.0. Android version 9. Yeah, Android Pie. Fresh out the box. And these are all the pre-installed applications that come with, this is the SIM-free version, by the way. So these are all the pre-installed applications that come with the SIM-free version. Let's have a look at some of the wallpapers. If you're like me, you like to see the pre-installed default wallpapers. So these are all the pre-installed default wallpapers that come with the Note 10. Let's have a look at the themes. These are all the pre-installed themes which have been installed by default. Let's have a look at some of the widgets, and these are all the widgets. I must say it's very fast and very fluent. Scrolling is very smooth. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this device. Whoa, just look at it. It's a beauty, isn't it? And it has the 3 cameras there on the back. Samsung branding there with the flash. So yeah, this is just my quick unboxing video. Stay tuned, I will be doing some more videos on this new device. Yeah, just stay tuned to my channel. If you've not already subscribed, please subscribe. I am the Android Doctor. Like I said, I will be doing quite a few videos on this device. If there's any videos that you want me to do, just leave your comments in the comment section down below, asking me to do a certain type of video, and I will do as soon as I have the time to do it. And yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you've not already subscribed. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Doses.